Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to find Swift code of Bank of Philippine Island. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to find Swift code of Bank of the Philippines Island, what you can do is check your statement. Simply open up your BPI statement or print statement, and then you'll find the Swift code at the header or footer. The Swift code often appears there. The next method that you can use is simply tapping on the login home page of the BPI, then simply log into your account, and once that's done, what you need to do is select account, and inside account details, and some accounts show the Swift code inside the account info, and then simply tap on explore help and support. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is simply type in Swift code right here, and once you search it, the BPI Swift code will be given on the top, which is BOPIPHMM. And the next method that you can use is by simply heading over to your Google browser, and on the search button type in Swift code of the BPI, and then the BPI Swift code will be displayed right there. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.